Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To cook a 1 kilogram ham in the oven, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the ham with foil to prevent it from drying out. Bake for approximately 20 minutes per 450 grams, 1 pound, plus an additional 20 minutes. This means for a 1 kilogram ham, you should cook it for roughly 1 hour and 40 minutes. Always ensure the ham reaches an internal temperature of 71 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, for safety. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing to retain its juiciness.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.